CNC routed foam is an excellent material for a wide range of applications, including space fillers, load spreaders, and cushion packaging. When used as a space filler, this foam ensures that products are tightly packed, preventing damage during transportation and storage. Additionally, it is an ideal choice for cushion packaging, as it offers excellent protection against shocks and vibrations. This foam is particularly well suited for applications that require low surface abrasion, as well as the packaging of delicate items, such as electronic components. Finally, CNC routed foam is also an excellent option for promotional and display packaging purposes. CNC routed foam is a versatile and reliable material that is ideal for a wide range of packaging and protection applications. Foam blocks are placed onto a vacuum bed. The router machine is set up to precise measurements by the operator. Material is slowly cut away using router bits specially designed for soft material. The material is cut to size using a bandsaw as per the requirements of the customer. The material is then de-pipped to reveal the finished product.